Okay, we're gonna check how to replace windshield wipers on the Pathfinder. Really easy. Check it out. Okay, so they have a clip. It's very easy. Those are rainy, so you have to lift it up, and then there's a clip here. No, just push it down. Watch out not to hit the dash. Woohoo! This is out. Woohoo! See that? You see that clip? That's where we're gonna go with the new one. Let's go get it. Okay, this is the new one. It's a little different, but it works the same. You see this? And this clip is gonna be the one you have to push to remove it, when you're gonna have to remove it, to change it, to replace it. And look at that. That's how it is inside. So we're gonna have to go clip in here. I suggest you to tilt a little bit the moment you go in, because it's gonna be easier. Let's see that. It's a little hard to push because it depends on the manufacturer, but still it's okay. So you just go in, you align it. Let's see if I can show you from closer, because it's important. See the alignment here? Make sure that's aligned, and then you just push it in hard. Now I cannot do it with one hand, but let me see if I can put the camera down and do it again. See, you just pull it like this. So you just push it really hard until it clicks. It is really important that it clicks. See, because for example here it didn't click. Let's do it again. Yeah? See that? Okay, now I did it. No, didn't. See? If you can pull it out without pliers, it means it's not in, because this guy has to click. So they're gonna come out eventually. They're not because of the force that the movement put into it. They're not gonna come out, but I don't want to try. Actually, this model it's not really a good one. Probably. It's too tight. So not here. That's a Michelin. I don't like too much how they stay on this car model. But eventually that worked. See that? Now I'm gonna do the other one. You have to be pushed really hard into it. Let me see if on the other one I can show you a click. Okay, let's remove it. Let's look for the click. Like that. See, this one went in much better. Right there. Let me show you the details. Probably I can show you a little closer. See, now it still comes out because that's how this model is. It's gonna really click harder inside, but those are the weight, and they're not gonna come out. They're not gonna come out because of the force. The movement is gonna pull. It keeps gonna push in. So don't worry for that. It's not gonna come out. Done. So that's a good job. Okay, let's start. Check it out. Finally, the old one, they were not cleaning at all. Job done, thank you.